are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, so Merry Christmas. I got this big box here I'm going to review. It's the first time we ever got a pizza oven that's for the indoors. Yep, can you believe it? You don't have to hook it up to the propane tank. It heats up really, like in 20 minutes, it gets to 700 degrees. This thing's a beauty. So let me show you what it looks like outside the box. We got the pizza oven, we got the pizza peel, we got the pizza stone. Oh my goodness. So opening the door is a little tough because it feels like it may not be. Is it magnetic? It feels like it's magnetic, but it's a strong door. Okay. This literally does 6 different things. It does pizza, it does steaks, it air fries, it bakes, it broils. It's basically a second oven. It's a perfect Christmas gift. You got to check this out. We're going to try it right now. We got our pizza stone in there. I even got the book they sent, all the different pizzas you can make, all the cooking times and temperatures. I got a pizza peel right here that we can put the pizza in. You'll see that in a minute. I have an air fryer basket. Look how big this is. It's huge. That fits right in there. This will do it all basically. You don't have to fire up the big oven. Or if you don't have enough room, you can use this. I'm curious on how it does on steaks. It's supposed to get to 700 degrees in 20 minutes. Whew. Okay, so let's put together our pizza first. Then we'll use this. Basic pizza stuff. Got the pizza sauce. Got the cheese, pepperoni, sausage. We bought some already rolled out pizza dough. So we're going to throw this all together real quick. Give me 2 minutes. I'll brown that up. And I'll meet you right back here. 660, 3 minutes, according to the recipe book. There we go. Now we started it. It's 78 degrees right now. All we got to do, we got a little barbecue sauce. Tammy likes pizza with barbecue sauce on it. You got barbecue sauce, mozzarella, spicy pepperoni, a little tangy, and hot Italian sausage. So we're going to put this in. The game plan is to put it in for a minute and a half, let it cook, then go in with the pizza peel, quarter turn it. That's a 15 minutes on a clock. Just turn it a quarter ways and let it finish cooking. When it's done, we'll meet you right back here and take a look at it. All right, guys, it's beeping. Let's go ahead and open it and put the pizza in. Ooh, that sucker is hot. I can feel it. You got the spatula in case it doesn't come off. Give it a little nudge. We're going to time it for 1.5 minutes and then rotate. So we're giving it a quick little move and turn. And that looks good. It smells within 30 seconds. It smelled like a real restaurant. That's so amazing. I may just stop doing carnivore right now. No, I'm just kidding. But you guys know, pizza's the one thing I miss. Guys, I am in utter shock. This is 3 minutes. Boom, it was all raw a minute ago. It's all cooked right now, bubbly, beautiful. It smells amazing in the studio. Wait until we cut into this. Okay, you know, I had the logo on the screen, but I never thanked them. Thank you, GA Homefavor. I hope I pronounced it right. For sending this. It's an air fryer. We can bake cookies in it. It's another oven. It's a pizza oven. It's a broiler. It's everything. It's way everything. It gets hot fast. Okay, so let's give this a try real quick. Sample a little bit. Oh, wow. So good. You know how you go to the restaurants? They got the ovens. This is it. Right here. Buy it as a gift. Great for Christmas. I got a link down below. It's dinner time. Not for me, but for Tammy. This is Tammy's pizza. And by the way, remember this has an automatic cool down built in. Don't be stupid like me and turn the power off. Let it run its cycle. Let the time run out. When the temperature drops to 300, it'll power off. But it has its own cool down, okay? So, have fun with it. You guys, once again, links down below. I love it.